Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, junjunvlogs. May binili pala akong gimbal. Kaya i-unbox natin guys ha. Binili ko sa Jarir Bookstore. 599 real. Tingnan natin kung anong laman guys. I-review natin. Tamad pa naman ako magbasa ng ng instructions. Ito siya guys, gimbal white. May nakikinood sa atin guys ha, ayan o.
Wow, ganda.
Ito, naririnig ko dun. Guys ha, ano to? Create magnetic moments. Ano to? Dji Om4. Yan guys, tingnan natin kung anong laman nito. Siyempre gimbal ang laman, pero we will see. Pasensya na guys. Okay, gimbal. Re-review tayo guys sa product review. This is it. May nakaharang kasi. Create magnetic moments, magnetic quick mount, foldable and portable, active, quick roll, gesture control, story mode. As usual, made in China. Everything is made in China. DJI Care.
Baka bawal magsabi ng
Oh.
ng brand.
Sus, Ginoo. Yung plastic.
Gamit ka ng cutter.
May ingay, maririnig ka dun. Nasa camera pa.
Ay,
It's okay to use for Apple Store and Google Play. Download on the Apple Store, DJI Mimo app. Or sa Google naman, DJI, and may sila, barcode. Create magnetic moments. Ching, ching, ching. So, this is the main gimbal. Okay guys, naku. Wala pa naman ako tiyagang magbasa-basa guys ng ganito. Ay, look, this is the one. Rechargeable, mayroong adjustment dito, may focus, may stop. I'll show you more of this guys soon. This is the magnetic. This is where you clip the cell phone. Yan. Magbabasa pa. And I think this is the stand. Tripod. You can split it like this. Tripod. And it comes with a charger. Cable for recharging the gimbal. And that's it. And also, what are these? I'm sorry guys you can see this. Osmo. This is the product. This is the bag you can use. And also, what is this? These are just the magnet and the brochures. The brochures are inside here, inside this pocket. I don't want to open it now. Too much to read. That's about it. We will check how it works, and I will let you know, guys, once done. I have to assemble this and maybe recharge it first. It's like a gun. My God. Okay, where is the charger? Here. I found it. I will recharge first. Recharge here. Hey, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Oh wait, papakainin ko kayo.
Ngama. Parang batang umiiyak.
Oh, wait lang.
Meron siyang ganito, guys. This is where you clip the mobile. Meron siyang holder. And I don't know what are these extra. And this is the tripod. And this is the instruction here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But I'm still recharging the handle. Daming books na babasahin, guys. Information card. Nasaan yung pouch niya na doon? Dji Om4. Bye for now.